Namaste world, welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and follow me on Instagram. So you can see the location is totally different, and we are traveling to Visakhapatnam, which is my native place, and we are going to attend my brother's marriage. Totally excited, and as you can see on my face, I love traveling by train because we can soak in all the greenery, all the beauty, all the scenic beauty, and I always prefer traveling by train to any other means of transport. The landscape, the mountains, the trees, everything is so beautiful and so soothing to the eye. I'm really, really, really enjoying and looking forward to attend. Is a place which is very close to my heart, and here we are reaching our destination. I'm really thrilled because I'm looking forward to meeting all my cousins, relatives, and everyone over there is so close to my heart. And as soon as we reached the house, we went ahead to get our mehendis done. I remember when we went 3 years back to South Indian Mall, I had found few people out there who usually apply mehendi. So as we could not find any other place, so we traveled to this place. And to my shock, I could see that all the discounts on saris were based on kilos and not on the number of saris that a person buys. So that was something which was new to me. And here we are with all smiles from year to year because we all were excited to get our mehendis done. Directing the bhaiya not to apply too much mehendi. Usually I get rashes and it was very hot and humid over there, so didn't want much. And here we are trying to get discounts and discussing on the rates that we had charged us.
मैम ये तो बहुत कम में लगा दिया आपका, बहुत कम में लगाया आपका
भैया। नहीं, ये तो गलत बोल रहे, बहुत कम में लगाया।
सच में?
हाँ, कम में लगाया बिल्कुल भी नहीं है,
बहुत कम लिए
ऐसे बोले आपको एक्सप्लेन करके।
Getting the maximum utilization of what we had paid to the bhaiya. And we are almost done with the mehendis. All the little ones are also excited and showing off their mehendi. It's such a fun to attend Indian wedding. It's all about food, getting together, and lots of memories on the right. Here we have reached back home and the whole house is lit up, and we are all set for the haldi function tomorrow. So please stay tuned, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and follow me on Instagram. Many exciting things coming on, so stay tuned.